Hey guys, we are back with another tutorial. So today we did a two-part quick weave. So we did a middle part and a side part, but make it a quick weave. So I went ahead and did her braid down off of camera. If you guys needed a more detailed video of that, just let me know down in the comments. So I went ahead and parted out her middle part and her side part. And you see I did in between those two partings, I did roughly around like 4 to 5 small braids, just going straight back into the rest of the braid down. And then I went ahead and molded her 2 caps on to protect her hair from any glue. And then you see me measuring out my tracks. I always measure my tracks out before I just go ahead and put glue on them. I measure the track out, cut it, and then I firmly press that track into the cap where I want it to lay. I continue gluing those tracks in a U shape going all the way up to the top. Alright, and after I finish gluing all those tracks up with those 3 to 4 braids that you see in the middle, I'm going to go ahead and sew those tracks in. The reason we're sewing it in is so that she is able to flip those tracks back and forth, and it can lay as flat as possible. If you guys need to see that, I do have a video up here on my YouTube channel with the 2-part sew-in. It's up there. I showed you guys how to sew that flip over part in. So after I do that, I go ahead and just finish sewing that in, glue the rest of those tracks in through the back, and then we get into the leave out. Alright, and the way that I do my leave out, I take my time, so you see me unbraid it, and now I'm going to do small pieces. I'm going to cut out each piece to make sure that it lays as flat as possible. I apply a little bit of a wax stick, just a little bit, heat protect it, and then I touch the roots up with a mini flat iron. I touch the roots up with a mini flat iron just so I can get as close to the root as possible. And then I go in with my larger flat iron and press it all the way out.
She a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Tag low, stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Tag low, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Tag low, two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. Tag low, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Tag low, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around this snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Look where you been at, man. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get them close, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get them close, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get them close, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. No competition, these bitches fail, ho. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around this snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho.
y'all, do not forget to touch them edges, okay? You have to flat iron them edges. And personally, me with middle parts, I don't do the whole baby hairs with the middle part. I just feel like the no baby hair with the middle part just gives real clean, and I just like it better. But with the side parts, we can use baby hairs all day. So make sure y'all flat iron those baby hairs, those edges. You want it as clean as possible. Alright, now that I'm finished with that, I do go in and just get ready to do my side part. What you see me doing now is just helping those tracks flip over. As they are like freshly sewed in, it's kind of like not tight but real firm in there, so you just don't want it to be a hump. So you want to help those tracks by bending them a little bit to the other side. So I'm going track by track and flipping it over so that it can lay as flat as possible.
Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the beauty, QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her, really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. ACC wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I make me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them whole precision. Give us my only decision. Don't got no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard.
Alright, and after I press out all of my leave out, I go in and start styling. So we just did like some body curls, a little layer here and there. And then as far as the baby hair, I do curl up just to swoop them baby hairs down, okay? So I section the hair off in 3 places, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. And then I start curling. I use my T3. I think this is a 1.5 inch. And I'm just going around his head doing loose curls.
second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet,
And to do my baby hairs, I do go in with just a little bit of edge booster, and I use hairspray. So I put edge booster at the root, just a small little bit, y'all, and I swoop it to get it where I want it to be, and then I go in and spray my curls, and then I comb out my curls. I love a good comb out, y'all. That's it. That's all.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh. Good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in a song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in a song, alright. Every time I write these words, they become a taboo.
Cut the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch, I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch, I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run that check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it on. I'ma snap on these fuck niggas every time they piss notes. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama runs. Bitch throw me the alley hoop, yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop, I fucked around the jump. Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch, I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch, I said.
Okay, y'all, this is the finished look for the side part. I am going to show you guys both parts, how they look at the end. But this is the side part. It's even very much classy woman, very much business lady. Side part just gives me, I'm just about my business. But yeah, y'all, this is the side part. Very cute. And I'm going to show you guys the middle part in just a second. And y'all, I'm just being a perfectionist at this point. I'm just getting the hair exactly where I want it, how I want it, you know. So y'all, that's just all you see me doing. I'm just making sure I want the hair placed exactly where I want it, just for my pictures and just to make sure it's that girl at the end of the day. But yeah.
I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating lo mein is ciao for now. Ciao, ciao. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, ciao for now. Ciao, ciao. Yeah, she making that shake, breaking that bait till her back break. Wow. Yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit.
Now let's get into this middle part. So all you have to do is literally just flip that hair over from that. Y'all remember that part where we sewed it down? Yes, you literally just flip that over. And then I'm just gonna touch up the curls just to get them going in the right direction. Defining that part. But y'all, this style is literally perfect for people who are so indecisive on what parts to get. Tell them to get this. Tell them, look, you can get both, girl. If you don't know what kind of parts you want to do, you ain't got to commit to one. Get both. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to show you guys the end look of the middle part. Yes, y'all, and the middle part is T. Like, both parts just T. This is why people can't even decide. I see why. I literally see why. They're both just too cute. So y'all, this is basically the middle part, okay? Very much T, very much volume, very much layers, curls, flatness. It's giving very much everything. Okay, y'all gotta let me know which one y'all like better in the comments. What part was giving more to you? Was it the side part or was it the middle part? Because I honestly can't decide. Like, they're both too fire for me. Like, I love both of them. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. You guys are just the best supporters, honestly. But I'm going to be dropping a video for y'all every week. Make sure y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Just continue to show your girls some love. And I will love y'all back. But bye for now. Thank you guys so much.